Hello students, welcome to the online EVS class at home. In the last class, we learned about how digestion takes place in our mouth. Today, we are going to cover day 4 of unit 1. Every day, you would be attending the class and doing the homework properly for that day. I also hope you have one atta roll bowl ready with you. We learned about what happens to the food in our mouth in our last class. Now, can you tell me what happens to the food in our mouth? Great. Yes, teeth helps in chewing the food. Saliva mixes with the food and tongue helps in the movement of the food and swallow it. Swallow, nigalna, swallow. We learned in our previous class that we use our teeth to chew the food. Chew, chabana, chew. We have different types of teeth and mainly we have four different types of teeth. Today we will learn about that. Let us do a small activity to explore this. For this activity, you should have the dough ball I requested to you yesterday. Now see, what is this? All of you have this. What is this? Atta roll bowl. Dough roll bowl. Okay. This is dough roll bowl in my hand. Watch closely as I performed, and after that you will try to do yourself. You have to open your mouth and you will not bite it, but you will get only impressions of your teeth on the dough roll bowl. Like this. You will not bite it off. Uh, can you see the impressions of teeth on the dough roll bowl? Now you will look at the dough bowl. What you are see? You are seeing different types of teeth have different shapes. Some are flat, some are pointed, and different shapes of teeth impressions takes place over the dough ball. Now you will also repeat this activity and you should check what kinds of marks you have made. If you check carefully, then some of the marks are pointed while others are flat. So, what are the different shapes of the teeth that you have made? I think सभी के डॉ बॉल पे अलग अलग इम्प्रेशंस आए हैं. कुछ पॉइंटेड मीन्स नुकीले पॉइंटेड, कुछ फ्लैट बिल्कुल स्मूथ मीन्स शेप जो है यू कैन सी इन योर माउथ. देयर इज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ teeth and different shapes of the teeth. Some are broad, some are pointed, and some are flat. So there is irregular shapes of the teeth. This means that our teeth have different surfaces and different structures and they have different functions. Now let us study the different types of teeth that are present in our mouth. Uh, Before going ahead, first of all, You will go and wash your hands with soap and water, and within 1 minute you will do this activity. You will wash your hands properly by using soap and water. Your time starts now. After 1 minute, your time's up. I hope you are able to wash your hands properly with soap and water. Now I'll count down 5 to 1 and you will open your SR3 and we will discuss about the four different kinds of the teeth that are present in our mouth. First, incisors, second, canines, third, premolars, and fourth one is molars.